In this video, we are comparing two powerful website builders, 10web and Elementor. We will look into their features, pricing, and who they are best for. This will help you choose the right one for your needs. Let's start with 10web. Let's start with 10web. 10web is a modern website builder that uses artificial intelligence or AI. This makes building a website super fast and easy. It is built on top of WordPress, which is a very popular system for websites. Think of 10web as a smart helper that builds a WordPress site for you. You don't need to be a computer expert to use it. It helps you create a professional looking website in just a few minutes. 10web is great for people who want a powerful website without the hard work. It uses Google Cloud to host your site, which means your website will be fast and safe. It is designed for businesses, online stores, and agencies. Are you ready to see how AI can build your website? The AI website builder is the star of 10web. Imagine describing your business in a few words and a full website is created for you. That's what this feature does. It generates everything: text, images, and the design of your website. You can even give it a link to a website you like and it will recreate that style for you. This saves a lot of time and effort. You don't have to start from an empty page. The AI gives you a complete website that you can then change and make your own. It's like having a web designer who works in seconds. What if you want to make changes to your new website? The AI Copilot is here to help. It works inside the website editor, which is based on a tool called Elementor. You can ask the AI Copilot to do things for you. For example, you can tell it to change the color of all buttons to blue or write a paragraph about our company history. It understands your commands and makes the changes. This makes editing your website as easy as talking to a person. It helps you fine-tune your website without needing to know any code or complex settings. 10web doesn't just build your site, it also takes care of it. It provides high-quality hosting on Google Cloud, which is very reliable. This means your website is always online and loads quickly for your visitors. 10web automatically handles all the technical stuff. It does automatic backups so you never lose your work. It also does security checks to protect your site from bad guys, and it makes sure your website is always updated to the latest version of WordPress. You can focus on your business and 10web will manage the rest. Have you ever waited a long time for a website to open? That's bad for business. 10web promises to make your website super fast. It automatically optimizes your site to get a score of 90 or more on Google's page speed test. A fast website makes visitors happy and can help you rank higher in Google search results. 10web does this by making images smaller, organizing code, and using other smart tricks. You don't have to do anything technical. 10web makes sure your site is fast on computers and mobile phones. 10web has different plans for different needs. The prices are clear and easy to understand. They have plans for starting a new site, for beginner business, and for agencies that build sites for others. The AI Starter plan is great for personal websites and small businesses. It usually starts around $10 per month if you pay for a whole year. If you need more features like for online store, the AI Premium and AI Ultimate plans are available. These plans cost a bit more but offer more power. They offer a free trial so you can test it before you buy. So, who is it for? 10web is perfect for people who want the power of WordPress without the difficulty. If you are a small business owner, this is a great choice. You can get a professional website up and running very quickly. It's also great for freelancers and agencies who build websites for clients. The AI tools help you work much faster. If you want a very fast and secure website and love the idea of using AI to help you, 10web is for you. It's for doers who want to focus on their ideas, not the technology behind them. Next up is Elementor. Elementor is a super popular WordPress page builder. It's known for being really easy to use. You can drag and drop different elements to build your website. This means you don't need to know how to code. Elementor lets you see the changes you make in real time. It's like building with virtual Legos with your website. They have a free version that is already very popular and a pro version with even more cool features. Many people love Elementor because it is fast and flexible. You can create almost any website design you can imagine, from simple blogs to complex online stores. Elementor gives you the tools to make it happen. It's a great choice for beginners and pros alike. Curious to see what it can really do? Let's dive into the features. First up is the drag and drop editor. This is the heart of Elementor. It's what makes building pages so simple. You can literally pick an element like a text box or an image, then you drag it to where you want it on your page. And just like that, it's there. You can move things around and resize them easily. It's all visual, so you can see exactly what you're doing. This feature is amazing for people who are not coders. You have complete control over the layout of your pages. Want to add a button? Just drag it in. Need to create columns? Just a few clicks. This makes website building fast and fun. You can build a professional-looking website in no time. It's a game changer for sure. Next, let's talk about the theme builder. This is a really powerful feature in the Pro version. It lets you design your entire website, not just the pages. You can create custom headers and footers. You can design how your blog posts look. Even your 404 pages can be customized. This gives you total design freedom. You are no longer limited by your WordPress theme. You can make every part of your site look exactly how you want. This is huge for creating a unique brand identity. You can have a consistent design across your whole site. And the best part, you still use the same drag and drop editor, so it's still super easy to use. The theme builder puts you in the driver's seat. Prepare to be amazed by the third feature. The third feature is the vast template and kit library. Elementor gives you hundreds of ready-made templates. These are professionally designed pages and blocks. You can import them into your site with one click. This can save you a ton of time. Don't know where to start? Just pick a template. They have templates for all kinds of websites, business sites, portfolios, online stores, you name it. And they also have kits, which are full website designs. This includes the homepage, about page, contact page, and more. It's like getting a whole website designed for you instantly. You can then customize everything to fit your brand, change the color, fonts, and images. It's the perfect way to get a head start on your design. Finally, let's look at Pop-up Builder. This is another great feature in Elementor Pro. It lets you create all sorts of pop-ups for your site. You can create email subscription forms or announce a special sale or promotion. You can even create login forms in a pop-up. The pop-up builder is very flexible. You can control when and where your pop-ups appear. For example, you can have a pop-up show when someone is about to leave your site. This is a great way to capture leads. You can also design your pop-ups with the same drag and drop editor so they will match the rest of your website's design. It's a powerful marketing tool built right into Elementor. This can really help you grow your business. Elementor has a few different pricing plans. The free version is great for getting started. It has a lot of features and is very capable. But if you want more power, you will need Elementor Pro. The essential plan is for one website. It costs around $59 per year. The advanced plan lets you use it on 3 websites. This one is about $99 per year. For people who build lots of websites, there's the expert plan. It's for 25 websites and costs around $199 per year. They also have plans for agencies that need even more sites. So there's a plan for everyone's needs. Elementor is perfect for a lot of people. If you are a beginner, you will love how easy it is to use. The drag and drop editor makes website building simple. You don't need any technical skills to create a beautiful website. It's also great for small business owners. You can build and manage your own website without hiring a developer. This can save you a lot of money. Freelancers and agencies also love Elementor. The theme builder and advanced features let you create custom sites for clients, and the different pricing plans make it affordable. So, which one is right for you? If you want a super fast way to build a website and you like the idea of an AI doing a lot of the work, then 10web is an amazing choice. It's an all-in-one platform which makes it very easy to get started. If you are a more hands-on person who loves to design and wants complete control over every little detail of your website, then Elementor is the better option. Its drag-and-drop editor is incredibly powerful and flexible. Both are great tools, but they are for different types of users. We hope this video helped you understand the difference between 10web and Elementor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.